Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Ilmo Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Ilmo Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmo Irfan offers a course which is titled as Popular IDEs for C Programming Language in Windows Operating System. It is lecture 23 of this course main findings, conclusion, and future work. And I am your instructor, Saman Khan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present main findings and conclusion of the course. And in last, I will present future work and feedback. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented a step-by-step process to run your first C program using C line. Now let's move to main findings and conclusion of the course. The main finding of this course are as follows. Finding 1 is life is equals to 15% technical skills and 85% human engineering. To achieve excellence in technical skills, learn technical skills by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself. And to achieve excellence in human engineering, never ever compromise on three pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. Finding 2 is completely and correctly solving any real world problem. To completely and correctly solve any real world problem, for example, plan, design, and create high quality software in C programming language, follow the following 5-step process. Number 1, plan in mind. Number 2, design on paper. Number 3, execute at prototype level. Number 4, execute at full scale. And number 5, feedback from audience and domain experts for further improvement. Finding 3, nothing to lose in life, stay happy and motivated. Advice of my respected teacher is, when you do any real world task, put your 100% effort with sincerity without bothering about the result. And if you put 100% effort with sincerity and getting desired results, it will double your confidence. And on the other hand, if you are putting 100% effort with sincerity and getting not desired result, it will double your experience. Therefore, nothing to lose, keep smiling and motivated. Finding 4, use a template-based approach to solve any real-world problem. There is a trade-off between speed and accuracy. To solve real-world problems, for example, plan, design, and create high-quality softwares in C programming language with both speed and accuracy, plan, design, and develop a template-based approach using a combination of following approaches. Systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half-cooked approach, template-based approach, and 100% effort with sincerity approach. Finding 5, knowledge of good starting points to solve any real-world problem. To completely and correctly solve any real-world problem, for example, plan, design, and develop high-quality softwares in C programming language, it is very helpful to know the most popular and widely used IDEs, for example, Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, Dev C++, CodeLite, C-Line, etc. so that we may identify the most suitable solution to quickly and easily solve our given real world problem. The conclusion of this course in a single sentence is as follows. It is important to note the strengths and features of existing state of the art, popular, and widely used CIDEs before you start to plan, design, and develop high quality softwares in C programming language for academia or industry. Considering technical skills to summarize in one sentence, what I have learned from this course is how to tell a connected and coherent story in a course. Considering human engineering to summarize in one sentence, what I have learned from this course is every word of mentor is a gem. Do not focus on gems, firmly hold the mentor. After discussing course main findings and conclusion, let's move to the future work and feedback. In future, I am planning to offer new courses. Some of the potential courses for future work are as follows. Course 1 is structured programming using C programming language, and course 2 is object oriented programming using C programming language. Recall, as I discussed earlier, to completely and correctly solve any real world problem, follow the following 5-step process. Step 1, plan in mind. Step 2, design on paper. Step 3, execute at prototype level. Step 4, execute at full scale. And step 5, feedback from audience and domain experts to further improve. So I look forward to your valuable feedback. Now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this course, I presented main findings of the course. Finding 1 is life is equals to 15% technical skills and 85% human engineering. And finding 2 is to completely and correctly solve any real world problem using the following 5-step process. Step 1, plan in mind. Step 2, design on paper. Step 3, execute at prototype level. Step 4 is at full scale. And step 5 is feedback from audience and domain experts to further improve. Finding 3 is to be successful in life, keep putting 100% effort with sincerity without bothering about the results. Finding 4 is to solve real world problems with both speed and accuracy, plan, design, and develop a template based approach using a combination of following approaches that are systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half cooked approach, template based approach, and 100% effort with sincerity approach. Finding 5 is to identify most suitable solution for any real world problem. It is important to know the most important, popular, and widely used solutions for real world problem. After that, I presented conclusion of the course. It is important to know the strengths and features of existing state-of-the-art, popular, and widely used CIDEs before you start to plan, design, and develop high-quality softwares in C programming language for academia or industry. Dedicated to participants of this course. गुफ्तगू अच्छी लगी, ज़ोक़े नज़र अच्छा लगा, मुद्दतों के बाद कोई हमसफर अच्छा लगा, मंजिलों की बात छोड़ किसने पाई मंजिलें, एक सफर अच्छा लगा, एक हमसफर अच्छा लगा. And dedicated to my respected teacher, किसी ने पूछा बिसात मेरी, मैंने बोला गदाए मुर्शद, यही है मेरा कुल असासा, निगाए मुर्शद दुआए मुर्शद. Durood Sharif is the closest path to get nearness of Allah. May Allah give us the strength to recite Durood Sharif abundantly. Ameen. To conclude, planning, designing, developing, and delivering this course was a wonderful experience. which was full of excitement and challenges. The completion of this course is just with the fazl of Allah, dua of my respected parents, teachers, and friends. Alhamdulillah, I learned a lot from this course, both in terms of technical skills and human engineering. Inshallah, I hope that successful development of this course will give me energy and courage to offer new courses on the state of the art topics. Since there is always room for improvement, I shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture and the whole course so that I may improve myself. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.